saw, I inserted I had mixed them, but I'm leaving that in because, you know, that is hilarious. Right now I'm just wearing this one to finish off, but what the heck? What? Wait. Bloopers, bloopers. Where'd you get those bloopers? I know it's Jeepers. Okay. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if it looks a little bit different in the back, it's because it is a little bit different in the back. I actually redid my beauty room and switched everything around, and now I'm on the other side of the beauty room, so you no longer see the tiny little cubicle behind me and the window. Now you see these two big ones that go up and have a lot of little different things. I did that precisely because the light that was behind me during the day when I would film or I would do Instagram stories would be beaming, and it didn't look good, so I had to redo it, and this is what we have now. I did put a little story, or like it's in my highlights in my Instagram of how my beauty room looks like. I don't know if you guys are interested to see it here, but if you are, definitely leave me a comment down below, and that way I will go ahead and share with you guys as well. So as you saw by the title, I received this from Colourpop. This is their Blush Crush, and it's a collection that comes with the beautiful eyeshadow, the highlighter, and the two lippy crayons. And I did a look today. I got this yesterday and this launched today, and I forgot to do the intro to the video. And as I'm editing, I'm like, oh, I need to do the intro. So if I look a little different, is because I'm doing this intro several hours later, which meant that I have to put everything back on and kind of redo my hair and touch up the makeup a little, but you know, it's not fresh. I mean, the eyeshadows are definitely still there. So these are the eyeshadows. You're going to see swatches towards the end of the video of the eyeshadows. Doing this look today, if it looks a little off as I'm applying it, is because my eyelids are very angry at me. They're tired. They need a break, and I've been doing makeup constantly every day. And I should have taken a break today, but when I got that collection, it was like, I need to get on there. I need to do it. So I went ahead and did it. So tomorrow I'm actually going to take a break from makeup before my eyelids fall off. They are very dry and irritated from taking off makeup, putting on makeup, and all that good stuff. But you will see throughout the video me using this, and of course the highlighter, this absolutely gorgeous highlighter. It's like a marbleized type of a highlighter, so it's real nice. So let's just get into it. Let's not keep yapping and talking. And yeah, you'll hear about this outfit at the end. Obviously, you know, it's a wedding theme. Hello. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead. Without further ado.
Used to put in my mind life, standing on rainbows, playing the
I did my hair. Like I told you guys, for me, this is like inspired by weddings. So I actually put on my wedding dress. This is my second wedding dress. My first one, I will try to get a picture and insert it here or here, one of these two sides, so you guys could see how it looked. But big difference between the second one and the first one. Huge difference. I actually dirtied mine here on this region because I have swatches that I did for you guys to insert, and I guess I went like that. So I have the lashes on. The last thing I'm going to put is this gorgeous highlighter that they send, and this is like, what do they call it? I'm losing my voice. This is the unique marble pattern that delivers the most bling. So we're gonna see, because I have a few from them that I love. Colourpop, I think for me this is like the second one that they come out with, because Soul Body, which is owned by Colourpop, has these already. So this is your catch. I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm going to put the lippies. We have Always Right and Feels Good, or Feel Good. Feel Good, yes, Feel Good. So I'll probably try both. I'll probably do the light one, and if I feel like it's too light, then I'll go with this one. But let's go ahead and show you that without me yabbing away.
You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay up in longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger, making me stronger.
Okay, so here is the finished look. Into my hair. The lippies right now, I went ahead and I inserted, you know, how they would look by themselves. Right now I'm just wearing this one, which is Feel Good. These smell delicious. They're very subtle. They're more like a balm with a little bit of a color. So I think it's pretty good for the wedding type vibe. You know, some girls do not want a bald, some do want a bald, so it's basically up to your preference. This palette, I really did enjoy using it. You can definitely make a more subtle look. I went a little deeper so you guys could definitely see the colors, but I would definitely use the same type of colors and just go in it lightly. I went a few times, and if you want it to be even lighter, remember to dab off your brush so that way, you know, the excess fall. I did not have, talking about that, no fallout or nothing. That's kind of what I love about Colourpop. They're really good with not having fallout all over your eyes. Plus, they're affordable. This right here is only $14. This one as well is, this one is $12. This is their highlighter, which I have here. Most of my swatches came off on my booby. You know, sucker's so big. No, it's not. But this is a gorgeous highlighter. I love it. I love how it's marbled, so it, you know, it gives you a little bit of both when you turn your face. And it's true. One thing I love about theirs, if you like a nice, like, wet, glossy looking type of highlighter, this is for you. If you're more of a glittery, then this is not for you. But this I love because it looks so nice when the light hits it and when you're out. But those are basically the three things that I received from Colourpop. There is also the Nude Mood collection, which is more in the, you know, like earth tone type colors. This is more of the mauve, what they call the romantic mauves, and I figured it's perfect for wedding. So Anyways, guys, this is my video. Nitty gritty, you know, we're getting in it. We do it quick. So if you liked it, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little notification so you're notified when I upload next. And if you have any questions about anything, go ahead and ask me. And all the products I use are listed below. I forgot. The lashes. These are from Prados. These are called Hermosa, which is like beautiful. And, you know, once again, this can be you can do very light wispy type lashes. I'm just going for a little more glam type of wedding, you know. This is kind of what I wish I would have done for my makeup in my wedding, because it did not come out very good. But you'll see that when I insert. It wasn't cute. It wasn't cute. Anyway, that's all. Remember, guys, that in every negative there is a positive. You guys take care. I forgot to grab it. I got it. By itself, it's just that one. I need more water. I need more water. Refreshing. Okay. Are we ready now? No, we're not. What is in my throat? Hello? Who in there?